Hi, I'm Tanya from the data science team here at PredictHQ. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to use Beam on Control Center. Just a reminder, Beam is an automated correlation engine that reveals events which drive demand for your business. Let's get started. To create an analysis, we need to have some demand data ready. The demand can be in any unit, for example, sales or room bookings. Step 1 shows what this data needs to look like. We need a date field called date in the format year, month, day, as well as a demand field called demand with non-negative values. You can also click down here to download a sample data set. To create an analysis, we'll simply click New Analysis at the top right corner. The demand data we're going to be using for this example comes from a coffee chain, so we'll call this analysis Coffee. Now we'll set the location. We're using the street address here, but you can also use lat long if you have that on hand. The radius, set that to 0.3 miles. This means we're going to consider all events that fall within 0.3 miles of the store location. And lastly, impact rank type should be PHQ rank. Let's upload our data. And analyze. The time series demand is decomposed using our own non-parametric decomposition algorithm. There are 3 time series available in this plot. First, we have the actual demand in blue. Next, we have the remainder in green. And this represents the demand that cannot be explained by factors such as seasonal patterns. And lastly, we have event impact in pink. And this represents the daily total attendance from attended events and can be filtered by category using this option here. For example, we see a large remainder on this day. And around the same time, a large conference was taking place. Click here to view more event details. Below, we also have a tabular view of selected high-impact dates. There are several things you can do with this analysis. Share with someone, export the underlying demand data as CSV, and this will give you a date field, actual demand, baseline demand, and remainder. Or you can download a ready-to-use report. In order to get the events shown here, please call the Features API. Beam and Control Center helps you see how events impact your demand. If you want to use our data in your models, need advice on how to build machine learning features, or have a large number of locations that you want to analyze, get in touch with us. We'd be happy to help.